Oh, yeah, how neat.
Roderick getting a physical over here.
That's right. He's a handsome bird. I'm not putting my
Okay.
finger down there, silly. You can forget about that. Oh, Mr. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Nice and clear. No, no. No, naughty. Beautiful, nice and clear and healthy.
Ooh.
And now you can destroy the stick.
Yeah.
He says, well, if you want me to. Don't really
Since you
have an
said
interest.
to do it.
Exactly. I know. Just sneak a little under your chin. So you're scooching down. I don't trust you. I love you, but I don't trust you. No. I know. Good. Awesome. So he has great muscle development, probably because he is able to fly some. Perfect. Nice.
Ooh.
Healthy. I know. Ooh, little needle nails.
Yes,
We'll fix that in a minute.
Yes.
We will fix that in a
Good
minute. You keep
boy.
those little needle toes right in there. We're going to listen to you. We're going to listen to you, okay? Yeah. Good job. Very good. Handsome. Very good. Perfect. All right. I don't want your footsie. No feet. No feet. All right. So we're going to find a nice cushy spot for our chip. Where are we at? It's about midway. This looks like it's probably just fine. I'm going to wet you down so we can see where we're going to go. I know. There. Oh, no. Naked bird. Naked bird. Posting pictures on the internet of naked bird. Try and put our little mark.